If you're trying to reconcile refunds in Xero and don't know where to start, you're in the right place. This video is going to walk you through the quick process so that you can manage your finances efficiently and stay on top of your accounting in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher, I'll show you exactly how to reconcile refunds step by step. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try Xero completely free with an exclusive bonus. Just check the first link in the description below for that offer. Let's get into it. When you issue a refund in Xero, it's critical to make sure that your accounting is accurate. To reconcile refunds in Xero, start by ensuring the refund transaction is recorded properly in your bank feed. This might automatically appear in your bank reconciliation, depending on how Xero is set up. If it doesn't show up automatically, you'll need to manually enter it. If you've got a refund receipt, Xero will usually suggest a match to an existing invoice. This makes it easier to reconcile the refund, as Xero will link the transaction directly to the invoice it's settling. But if that doesn't happen, or you don't have an invoice, you'll need to create a credit note. Go to the Sales or Purchases menu, select Credit Notes, and then match it up with the refund amount. When reconciling in Xero, you'll want to look at the Find and Match feature. This tool helps you match bank transactions with your accounting entries. For example, if you've already recorded the refund in Xero, but it's showing up in your bank feed as a separate transaction, you simply search for it in the Find and Match screen. The software will automatically pull up matching invoices, credit notes, and payments. You can select the refund and hit Reconcile. Now, if the refund is from a supplier or vendor, and you don't see a matching credit note in Xero, create a bill credit and match it with the bank feed. In both cases, this keeps your accounts accurate, ensuring your refund is tied to the right transaction. One thing to keep in mind is that refunds may show up as a negative payment, which can make it tricky to match at first glance. But with the right matching method, you'll be able to keep your records spotless and avoid discrepancies. Make sure to regularly check your bank feed and reconcile any refunds that come through so that your accounts remain balanced. At the end of the day, using Xero to reconcile refunds is all about keeping your cash flow and records in check. The more you use it, the more streamlined the process becomes, making it easier to focus on growing your business instead of worrying about manual bookkeeping tasks. Remember, if you want to try Xero for free, check out the link in the description below for an extended trial with exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on this offer and get started today to simplify your business finances. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide to reconciling refunds in Xero helped clear things up.